All right, so here we are back with the headlight issue. That headlight works. This one doesn't. We talked about the pin differences, so I'm going to show that for a minute. Let's look at this one. You'll see this one has a bottom pin right there, 2 and 3 at the top. But interestingly enough, if you come over to this one, in such a way that you can see it, check this out. There's no pin down there. There is 2 here, 3 here, but this single pin is up at the top right, not the bottom left like the other one. So I'm going to assume that this headlight is a different year model or a different part than that one. Now this one I think has the halo. You see how bright that is around there? And this one has clear, right? The halo piece here is clear. So I think the difference is this is a halo light, that's a non-halo light. Well, guess what? From eBay, for a little under 160 bucks, you can get a new headlight, Japanese, Chinese, whatever. But this is kind of interesting. If you look at the pins on this one, you have a pin down here, you have a pin up here, you have 3 and 2. So it kind of covers all spans. Now this one does. This one is clear, but it does have a halo on it. Maybe I have these backwards. Maybe this one isn't and that one is. Shit, I don't know. It works though. When I plug it in, it all works. So I'm gonna take and change this out, but to do that, you have to take the entire facade off the front. So let's get into that. Okay, so first you gotta take these 4, there's 1, 2, and then 3 and 4 pins out. Yeah, this, because this goes in and locks it. That's the pin that goes into this hole. Then with that back, you can get in there, and that's the connection for the fog light, so you can pop that loose. But also, there are some screws that we need to take off in here too. All right, after you get those off, you need a number 30 Torx. And then you're gonna go underneath, and there's gonna be 4 across there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take those off. And there's gonna be 1 right here in the wheel wells too. It's what connects this piece to this piece. So you gotta take that bolt out. And that's why you gotta get inside the wheel well, and also for the fog light if you have one. All right, so you're gonna take out these bolts, this bolt. There should be a bolt here, but the headlight's broken. Another one up here. The one in the wheel wells that I told you about. The one's on the bottom. And then you should be ready. Okay, fun. Fun fact, there's not 4 on the bottom, there's 8. There's 4 that go here that hold the splash pan or whatever the hell you want to call that. But then there are 4 that hold the front bumper onto the chassis. So 2, 4, 6, 8. All right, so then this is what you deal with. You pull the whole thing off, and the headlight's supposed to be screwed into the front. Obviously that one stayed on the airplane, on the car, because they didn't screw it into this, even though there are plenty of places to screw it into. So I guess I'll have to fix that too. So the way the headlights stay in, you've got 1, 2, 3, which is missing a clip. I had to go buy one. And there should be something down here to hold it in too, but maybe in the accident that got missing. I don't know. So the other side has the same. We're gonna put those in now. Well, the next day you reverse all that, and you put it all back together, and there you go. Everything is working. So apparently what I have is a non-halo car. I think that's the original headlight. There's no halo. Come on this side and there is. So this is the aftermarket Chinese brand. It's like $200 off of eBay instead of $1,200. I think what I'll do is I'll get the other Chinese headlight and replace this one, because this one's got some broken pieces and such. So you know, the accident broke a whole bunch of little pieces, so I'm replacing those as I find them. But at least we have a working headlight with turn signals and such. So I'll tell you what, I don't know why you have to take the entire front end off to change a headlight, but that is not a great design.